Okay, this is another one of my hot die-cast guns by Parris Manufacturing. It's a Desert Fox die-cast metal toy replica Luger. And I sell these things like it doesn't go away. Unfortunately, I can't sell the cast because I can't ship them. Now, this is item number, what is this item number? 4641. This thing is a sweet, solid die cast. I mean, this is just a great toy. Toy gun prop. If you're looking for a prop for a movie or you're in a show, it's just awesome. It's made in Spain, actually. Isn't that amazing? Desert Fox. Die cast metal replica Luger. It takes the round shots, just so you know. And you can find them somewhere on, I don't know, that allows to ship them. I can't ship them for some reason. That's how it opens up too. It kind of opens up, pops up and you put the caps right on it. Kind of sweet, isn't it? Desert Fox. Okay, another item.